rock on it.
Yes, so I just finished unboxing the Infinix Note 10. I'm still using it. And let me tell you the amazing things about this phone. One, it has 128 gigabytes of memory. It has, a 48 megapixel camera. It has a 16 megapixel front camera. And of course, it has a fast charging system. And so you can charge it very fast. And then also, it has a 6.95 FHD, that's full display, super screen. Look at how big the screen is. So it's for your movies, for your series, for your gaming, for your Instagram, for all those things. You can use the Infinix Note 10 for it. And so it's a very good, and it's very light as well. The weight is very light. You can use it for everything. And so I want each and every one of you to get the Infinix Note 10. And it's also, the price is very, very affordable. It's competitively priced, and you and I can also afford it.
Infinix, the future is now.